If you don't have the kind of environment that you can get really nicely encapsulated teams that are operating off clean backlogs that can produce something of working tested value, the idea isn't to necessarily try to apply agile processes to a fundamentally waterfall workflow. The idea is that we want to organize around teams to the best of our ability. And the way that LeadingAgile approaches that is that we look at the organization from a business capability perspective. And so we look at what are the core capabilities that the organization is providing to its customers. And so most big products, most organizations are a collection of nested capabilities. And so you can look at the business capabilities that the organization needs. You can look at its technology architecture. You can look at its organizational design. And you can create a working hypothesis for what might this look like if I was able to organize around business capabilities. But what you recognize is because of different gaps in your skill sets and the people that you have and different technology interdependencies and different business process interdependencies, that you're going to have connections between those two. There's going to be dependencies. One of the things that is hard sometimes for people to get their head around is that when you're doing Agile at scale in that kind of environment, you've either got to figure out how to manage the dependencies or you got to break them.